Assalamu alaikum. This is October-November 2020 P21. The code is 0580 extended. Let's solve this paper today. Our question number 1 is very simple. He says simplify 3a plus 7b minus 4a plus b. So collect the like terms and then solve it. So you write 3a minus 4a plus 7b plus b. So 3a minus 4a is minus a plus 8b. Or you can write 8b minus a. This is your answer for the first question. A field ABC is in the shape of a triangle. AC is equal to 500 meter and BC is equal to 650 meter. Using a ruler and compasses only, complete the scale drawing of the field ABC. Leave in your construction arcs. Use a scale of 1 centimeter to represent 100 meter. The side AB has been drawn for you. So we can do 1 centimeter equals 100 meter. So it means 500 meter would be equals to 5 centimeter. So place your compass at A, open it, measure it up to 5 centimeter and make an arc. And then do the same thing for 6.5 centimeter. Place your compass at B and cut this arc, and now join them and write C and the values AC and BC. So this is your complete working. Question number 3. Rangan buys 3.6 kg of potatoes and 2.8 kg of leeks. Total cost is $13.72. Leeks cost $2.65 per kilogram. Find the cost of 1 kg of potatoes. So your 3.6 multiplied by x plus 2.8 multiplied by 2.65, and that is equal to 13.72. So solve it for x. So that would be your answer, $1.75. Question number 4 is a scatter diagram. In part A, the table is given the distance and average speed. So each small block is like 5 minus 4 divided by 5 is 0.2. So each small block you can read 0.2. So now you can mark the points on the scatter diagram from the given table. I am marking it in red. So what type of correlation is shown? So this is trending to the left side from lower to higher values in the average speed. So you can write negative. On the scatter diagram, draw a line of best fit. So you place your ruler and try to adjust the crosses so that from your line the crosses should be almost same on the either side of your line of best fit. So examiner does not mind it because every student cannot draw at the same place. Use your line of best fit to estimate her average speed when she runs a distance of 6 km. So from 6 km, touch the line of best fit, and from there read the corresponding value on the y-axis. This is 11 km per hour. Question number 5. By writing each number correct to one significant figure, work out an estimate for t. You must show all your working. So 49.2 is up to one significant figure, it would be 50, minus 9.59 up to one significant figure makes it 10, 4.085 makes it 4, 2.35 makes it 2. Now you can easily simplify this. So this is your answer. Question number 6. Without using a calculator, work out 2 whole 2 over 3 into 2 whole 3 over 4. So convert this mixed number into improper fraction, like 3 2s are 6 and 6 plus 2 is 8 over 3 into 4 times 2 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, 11 over 4. Now simplify this, 4 times 2 is 8, 11 into 2 is 22 over 3. So give your answer in a mixed number. So 22 divided by 3. So you can write 7 whole 1 over 3. Make x the subject of the formula. So you send y on the other side of the is equal to sign, is equal to 5x. Now 5 will divide 2y plus 7. So this is your x which has been converted, which has been isolated. So question number 8. 1, 2, 3, 5 and 7 are all common factors of two number. Write down the digit that the two number must end in. This sentence most of the students did not understand. So you write the factors of 5, 10, 15 and 20. Then write the factors of 2, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. So stop on 20 because both the numbers got the same value and these two numbers end in zeros. So you can write 0 here as your answer. Write 84 as a product of its prime factor. So take the LCM. Now 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. 2 square into 3 into 7. This is your answer. Question 9a. Ahmad increases 40 by 300%. From this list, put a ring around the correct calculation. So increase means you have to add 300 in 100. So this is 400. So 400% into 40, which makes 160. So only 40 into 4 makes 160 to make a ring around it. B part. Ahmed find the magnitude of the vector 2 minus 3. From this list, put a ring around the correct calculation. So 2 square plus minus 3 square whole under root. So this is, you can find it and put a ring around it. A town has a population of 45,000. This population increases exponentially at a rate of 1.6% per year. Find the population of the town at the end of 5 years. Give your answer correct to the nearest 100. So A is equal to P 1 plus R over 100 power 5. So P is 45,000 and R is 1.6. So find out the value. And nearest 100 is 48,700. Question number 11. The diagram shows a rectangle with a line of symmetry x is equal to 2. The two vertices of rectangles are minus 1, 1 and minus 1, 4. Shaded region is defined by the inequalities x is less than equal to b greater than equal to a, and y is less than equal to d greater than equal to c. Find the values of a, b, c and d. So x is equal to 2 is a line of symmetry, so minus 1 comma 1. So minus 1 is your x, so x coordinate, and from this x coordinate till x is equal to 2, we are 3 digits away, so you add 3 digits in x is equal to 2, so you reach to 5. So your coordinates at this end to the next end would be 5 comma 1, because y coordinate would remain same, so you can write 5 comma 1. So same, the above coordinate would be 5 comma 4. So your x is less than equal to b greater than equal to a, so your b is 5 and your a is minus 1. So you write these values in the answer space, and your y is less than d greater than c, so your d is 4 and your c is 1. So these are your answers. Question number 12. The interior angle of a regular polygon with n side is 156. Work out the value of n. So what you do, you subtract 156 from 180. So you are outside, means you get the exterior angle. So you divide this exterior angle, you divide 360 by this exterior angle, you will get the number of sides. And this is 15-sided figure. Write the recurring decimal. So I showed it like this in the shape of diagram. Write the recurring decimal 0.177. 7 is recurring as a fraction in its simplest form. You must show all your working. So you let x is equal to 0.17. Now try to bring 17 before the decimal. So you multiply both sides by 10. So you get 10x equals 1.77. Now you multiply both sides by 100. So you get 17.77. So you brought 17 before the decimal. Now subtract 10x is equal to 1.77 from 100x equals 17.77. You get 90x is equal to 16. So x is equal to 16 by 90, and this is 8 over 45. Question 14. Find the gradient of a line that is perpendicular to 8y plus 4x is equal to 5. So first convert this 8y plus 4x is equal to 5 in the form y is equal to mx plus c. So it becomes 8y is equal to minus 4x plus 5, and now y is equal to minus 4x plus 5 over 8. So 8 is common denominator, so you can write y is equal to minus 4 over 8, x plus 5 over 8, simplify 4 over 8, which is 1 over 2, so y is equal to minus 1 over 2x plus 5 over 8, so your gradient is minus 1 over 2. So you take the reciprocal of this gradient with opposite sign. The opposite of minus is plus, and the reciprocal of 1 over 2 is 2 over 1. So your gradient of the line perpendicular to 8y plus 4x is equal to 5 is 2. Question number 15. Find the deceleration of the car between 60 and 100 seconds. So you make a triangle and then write y over x. That would be your deceleration. Y is your 18 minus 6. and your x is 100 minus 60. So this is 12 over 40, which is 3 over 10 meter per second square. No need to write negative sign because already the word deceleration has been used. Calculate how much further the car traveled than the motorbike during the 100 seconds. So calculate the area under the graph, which would be the distance. So first calculate the area under the graph of motorbike, which is this, in the shape of a rectangle. I shaded with the blue color. So length into width would be the area, which would be the distance. So distance for motorbike, length into width, so 100 into 12 minus 6, which is 6, so 600. And now calculate the area under the graph of a car. This is, again I colored it in the blue, this is a trapezium. So 1 over 2 into height into sum of parallel sides. So 1 over 2 into height is always between two parallel lines. So 18 minus 6 into sum of parallel sides, 100 plus 60. Now solve this. So your area is 960, actually this is your distance. So 960 minus 600 would be 360. This is the difference, which tells us how much further the car traveled than the motorbike during 100 seconds. Question 16, factorize. So you multiply 6 by 20 and now find out the numbers which when multiplied should be equal to 120, and by adding or subtracting we can get plus 7, which is in the middle. Actually this is midterm breaking. So take the LCM of 120. So if I try 2 into 2 into 2 and then 3 into 5, so this is 8 into 15, which makes 120, and 15 minus 8 give us 7. So use 15 and 8 in the middle by writing x with them. Take common values and make brackets. So you get 3x minus 4, 2x plus 5. 17. F of x equals 3x square plus a, where a is an integer. F of minus 2 is equal to 19. Find the value of a. So first of all, find f of minus 2 by writing minus 2 in x and simplify it. You get 12 plus a, so equate it with 19. From here you can find the value of a, which is 7. B part, g of x is there, h of x is there, find g of h of x in its simplest form. So place the function h of x into g of x where you see x. So 2 times 3x minus 8 plus 7. Now g of x is 6x minus 16 plus 7, which is 6x minus 9. Find g inverse of x. So g inverse of x, let g of x is equal to y. Now y is equal to 2x plus 7. From here isolate x. So this is your inverse. Now replace y by x. So you can write x minus 7 over 2. So this is your g inverse of x. In this question, there is a hemisphere on the top and a cylindrical figure at the bottom. So we have to work out the total surface area of the solid. So surface area of hemisphere is 4 pi r square divided by 2, which is 2 pi r square. And surface area of cylinder of lower body and the base, This is to the curved surface area of the cylindrical body is 2 pi rh, and the base is a circle, so add pi r square. Now add all of them together. It gives you total surface area of the solid, 2 pi r square plus 2 pi rh plus pi r square. So this is 3 pi r square plus 2 pi rh. Now place the values. If you further simplify it, it would help you. So take pi r as a common, so 3r plus 2h. Now place the values. You get 315 pi or 989.60 centimeters square. So 990 is 3 SF. Question number 19. Shade the region M complement union N union P. M complement means everything other than M. So shade it. Do not shade M. Everything other than M, shade it. Now N union P, so shade the whole N and the whole P. So this is a union. So this is your final shade of M complement union N union P. In question number 20, find the value of Y. So this is a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral means any four-sided figure is quadrilateral, and cyclic, it becomes cyclic when all the corner touches the circumference. So opposite angles are always supplementary, means their sum equals to 180. So you add 4x plus 87 plus y is equal to 180, and from here you simplify it and make an equation. Now 2x plus x plus 60 is equal to 180. From here you can find out the value of x, which is 120 over 3, which is 40, and place this value in x and then find y. So y is equal to 107. Question number 21. Calculate PT. So PV is given. Angle between the line PV and the base TUVW of the cuboid is given. So calculate PV. So this is the diagonal TV, and the angle 43 is here, and the length PV is 17.2. So now you can find using, this is 90 degree here at the bottom. So sine of 43 degree equals PT over opposite over hypotenuse. So this is PT 11.59, which is up to 3 SF 11.6. Question 22, simplify x square minus 5x over 2x square minus 50. So take x common in the numerator. So it becomes x into x minus 5, and now 2 common, so x square minus 25. So x square minus 25, further we can write it like this is the square of x and this is the square of 5. Now it becomes an identity, x square minus y square, which is x plus y times x minus y. So you can write x plus 5 times x minus 5. So x minus 5 and x minus 5 cancel each other out. So you are left with x over 2 times x plus 5. This is your answer. Question number 23a. This is a vector question. And in this question, he said FA is equal to 2AC. So it means FA is 2 and AC is 1. So we have to find an expression in terms of M and N for AB. So AB, B is in the middle, so it would be half m and half m, because it is opposite to FE and FE is m. So now to find AB we can write AB equals AC plus CB. AC is equal to find AC, find FC. FC is equal to FE plus EC. FE is m and minus n. EC is minus n. So FC is m minus n. So AC is equal to 1/3 of FC. So AC is equal to 1/3 of m minus n. So you can write it here, plus CB. CB is your half m. Now from here you can simplify this taking the LCM. 6. So it becomes 2 times m minus n plus 3m. And this is 2m minus 2n plus 3m, which makes 5m minus 2n over 6. So you can, 6 is a common denominator, you can write 5 over 6m minus 2 over 6n, or 5 over 6m minus 1 over 3n. In B part, GH is equal to 5 over 6 times 2p plus q, and JK is equal to 5 over 18 times 2p plus q. Write down two facts about vector GH and JK. So if you notice that both vectors are the same, 2p plus q and 2p plus q. So we can say that GH over JK equals 5 over 6 over 5 over 18. When you simplify this, 5 over 6 divide 5 over 18, so it is 5 over 6 into 18 over 5. This is actually 3 over 1. So GH is 3 and JK is 1. So we can write the first fact that GH is equal to 3 times JK. And the second fact is, because their vectors are same, we can say that they are parallel or collinear. Collinear means they lie on the same line. So this is our final answer. So here is my phone number, and I am from Pakistan. If you have any inquiry, please you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. So see you in the